Okay, I have a challenge lock from Johan in Sweden. The lock does work. It is locked up. This is the bitting on the key. I would not wish this lock off on my worst enemy. So when I get through with this lock, it's going in my drawer, and that's where it's going to stay from now on. The lock is worn out. You've got to have the sequences just right on the lock. Okay, 5 and 4. Okay, we missed the sequence. So let's start it over. Okay, let's go ahead and get pin 2. Just go around. Okay, pin 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 3 and pin 2, a bit more on pin 4, okay, a little bit on pin 5, a little bit more of a false set, a little bit on pin 3 again, and there it is, open. See if we can do this without locking it back. Okay, it's open. This lock is a headache. Not that it can't be picked, but it is a big headache. And like I say, this lock will go in my drawer and it's going to stay there. I would not send this out to my worst enemy. I have picked it numerous times. I've even picked it and gutted it on video, but it was way too long. So hopefully this won't be too long this time. So I'm not going to fool around with this lock that much because I don't want to cut it out. I'm just going to dump these pins out, and that is as far as I'm going with this lock. I want to get it over with quick. Let's see, I'm missing a, okay, that one goes there, there, and I believe there, and then this goes here. It's all standard pins in the bottom. So let's take a closer look at the pins. I've wasted enough time on this lock, so I'm not going to waste a whole lot of time on it. But these are the pins that Johan has in the lock. The first two is a serrated type of T-pin. The next two is just serrated pins. And the last one is another type of serrated T-pins. So there's that lock picked and gutted, and like I say, that's as far as I'm going with it. I'm not going to hassle around with this lock anymore, and it's going to stay in my drawer because it just wore out, and there's no need of sending it out to someone else to give them a headache. Alright, I appreciate it. Thank you, and please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. Thank you very much.